at his home in Essex, but it did have its perks.
I'm sort of finance director for a construction firm as well, which has helped because their experience and knowledge of stuff when I ring up and go, have you got any ideas about this, is being available.
Once the planning was in place, it took the tradespeople a total of 17 weeks to complete the work, just 1 week over his predicted timescale.
As like a dog, he's attacking his own tail.
£1,000 at auction. Did he manage to stick to that 14 to 18 grand budget?
We didn't anticipate a few sort of unforeseen circumstances, so I've had to change a bit of the roof out the back, which cost a couple of £1,000, and just the cost of removing the waste has been phenomenal. So we are, I think, £18,876, I think we are at, when I checked my accounting package this morning.
Ever the accountant, eh, David? I think we can just call it 19 grand. But for this level of finish, I certainly think it was worth
Hello,
it.
buddy.
But will the estate agent that saw it last time agree?
Actually, hold on.
We've asked him back along to see what he thinks.
This is my second visit to the property, and wow, what a transformation. The really put their
Yeah.
and into this house. The layout of this property works really well. It's all open plan. It just really flows nicely, so you get the light through this property. Then also with the downlight,
Have you had enough?
it just enhances.
Yeah, you have had
that.
enough, haven't
Really
you?
nicely done.
So what does he think it will be worth were it to be sold?
I would say
Yeah, you've had
it came
enough.
onto the market